Hello and welcome to video number 2 on Instagram business pages. So we already set up our page, and now what we're going to do is put our icon picture in and set up our bio. So we're going to go into our page. So you're going to press the edit profile button and that's going to pop up. This is where your picture is going to go, either your picture or your brand's logo or anything you have. So for me, I have a phone. I have a phone right here, like a smartphone, kind of indicating that I'm doing things with smartphone and something with social media. As you can see, there's actually an Instagram page there. Your biography, I put some examples on the screen, what kind of, like, how a biography should look like. Or what you could do is, instead of writing a biography, you can give a short summary of what your business is about, and then you're going to put your website, if you have one, a short summary of what your business is about. And you can also put hashtags in there. You can put emojis, whatever you desire. If you understood so far what's going on in this video, give this a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you're confused about anything or you want to know more, like if there's a specific question that you have that might have not gone over. Go to my next video, to the third one, and if it's up already, of course, and I will see you there.